Hello, good evening. Ito yung ating hotel. Ayan, at nandyan lang yung mga tourist spot. So this is our hotel. Diyan tayo mag-stay for overnight. Tapos, ayan lang oh. Ayan lang yung mga tourist spot na pinupuntahan. Oh, ayan si Augustus. Oh, di ba napakaganda? Napakaganda nung kinuha nung hotel. Paglabas mo, nandyan na yung mga tourist spot, mga restaurant, souvenir shop. So actually this is the city of Dresden. Ayan po yung ating hotel. Ayan po. Ayan yung mga pinupuntahan ng mga turista dito. At saka doon, andun yun si Augustus, yung Union Square. Oh. Alright. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Once again, this is Lance Liam Chomosky. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And this is the city of Dresden, Germany. Thank you so much and have a nice day.